In this video, we will be looking at TBC 580 Scan Inspection Enhancement. We will look at the new multiple 3D object selection functionality that is now available in TBC. Let's now have a look at the new multi-selection functionality for scan inspections using 3D objects or meshes. I have a dataset already uploaded, and let's zoom in a bit closer. You can see it is a scan that was done at a bridge with 3D objects IFC model already in there. Let's switch to a 3D view, and there you can see the bridge with the IFC model and the scan done. Let's quickly switch on our view filter manager, and let's just switch off the raw data. Then we have a better view. Okay. To find the scan inspection functionality, you go to point clouds, and then under deliverables you will find the scan inspection command. Click on it. It will open up your scan inspection window. In here, just give your scan inspection a name. We will use the scan to 3D objects over here, and now you have the option to select. Previously you could only select one object, but at the bottom of the TBC window you will now see there is the normal rectangle select, the polygon select, and now you have an option to go internal select mode. This will allow you to select more than one IFC or 3D object or mesh. I will click on it, and now by simply clicking on one of the objects you will see it selects that object. Click on there we go. That will select that object. Keeping in control, I can then select multiple objects. Let's quickly switch off the point cloud. There we go. Now you can see I now have the option to choose multiple objects. Let's just unselect that one. I'll do this one as well. And then the nice thing about it is I can now switch around to this side of the bridge and select a few objects over here. Once you're done with that, you can tell it the point cloud. So I'm just going to use the complete point cloud and switch it back on. There you can see it will use the complete point cloud. Maximum distance for the inspection 0.3. Absolute distances you can check off if you just want to show the positive values, and the color map will stick with the rainbow. Save the inspection and it will then generate your inspection for you. This might take a bit of time depending on the size of your IFC objects as well as your point cloud that you have selected for this inspection report. Remember to always hit the control button with your select to select multiple objects. As you can see, we now have our scan inspection report, scan inspection done. I'll switch off the point cloud, and there you can see it has done it for all of my selections that I did. Now in the report side, you can select test 1. We can create some points to go along with this. Let's just go with green. And now we can click on spots where we want to do inspection points. As you can see, I can now click it on all the selected objects that I had. So my report will give me that feedback on everything that I have done. I'll go around to the other side as well, and I can add the points in there as well for the inspection report. Once you're happy with it, you can see the number of points that we have, and we can then create the report. Remember to add view report if you want to add a little bit of a view. Obviously when you have two sides where you want it to be done, it's not always going to be that simple. And there we go. I will then click create report, and now you will get a report of all the points that you generated in a Word document. And there we go. Report is done with all the points that we selected. And that's how you will use the new selection option for multiple objects in 3D using the internal select mode that has been added.